welcome to the YouTuber 2018, and I'm happy right now. And I hope you guys have a nice, wonderful evening. And this is my sister.
Hello guys, today we're going to be making some flower slime.
And yes, that's totally fun. And if it works, we're going to be playing with it like all day, and we're going to show you how it works. See? First we need directions, right, Alicia?
Yes. Put flour in a bowl like this. Put flour in a bowl like this. Sit down on the floor, Jojo. Sit down on the floor.
I can't because it's not rolling.
Put some water. Mix it for 3 to 5 minutes. What does it say now?
I don't know.
Tell me when it's 5 minutes. So it starts now.
Okay, that's my sister's directions, and I really hope you have a nice day. And
What time is it?
apparently it's 5:02 right now,
5:07. Tell me when it's
so it's going to be done at 5:07. And we're going to do the rest of the directions, and then I hope you guys have a nice winter evening. Yep. And subscribe to my channel in 3, 2, 1, live spike.
Okay, so we're back here at mixing this for 3 to 5 minutes. So
And then we need glue.
that's not this one. So we'll be mixing it for 3 to 5 minutes, and we only have 4 minutes left to mix. And so you see, it's like thick right here. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be waiting for 30 minutes and let it rest. That's what we're gonna be doing right now. And as you can see, it's mixing and it's getting really hard. Yeah, as you can tell, I made a mess of flour. Not a little mess. I mean, not a big mess, a little mess. So now we're gonna keep stirring. And it's turning really white like glue. So I think it's really interesting. So it's going to be right here making some slime. As you can see, I have powder on my pants. So we're still mixing here. What time is it? Still mixing.
And, guys, right now it's 5:04.
We got 3 more minutes to do it, and then we're done mixing. Then we gotta let it sit for 30 minutes.
5:04. 5:04.
Think it's gonna work? You guys think it's gonna work? I bet you it is. And if it doesn't finish now, we'll have to do it all later. And we'll have to start over again, which is gonna be harsh.
So my sister, while she's mixing, I'll talk to you about the slime.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm still mixing, and it's turning really, really gooky and stuff.
And I hope it works. So when that's like, it's 5:05 now. We got 2 minutes. So we're gonna talk to you about science. Alright, nobody likes science because it's really dumb. And slime is a part of science. That true, Alicia?
Yes, it is true.
So
I'm in 5th grade, so we like to do slime and stuff for my kids in my class. And it's so harsh because we all like to make slime. We all like to have slime in school. But guess what? We can't have slime in school because it's not allowed, of course. So what we're going to do right here is we're still mixing for 30 minutes. So you can see. Turn it away.
Okay. So it's 5:06. So we got 1 minute left in order for it to work. So science, you better believe in science. Or if not, you guys are gonna get beat up as soon as I get you. I'm just kidding. Guys, we're just gonna have a little slime, and I hope it works. If it doesn't work, we'll end this video right here. Super chat me and see if you have nice and good honors to visit my channel. Have a nice time. And I like you guys. So it's 5:06 right now, and which I think I just told you that. So we'll see you in 30 minutes. So here we're back. It's still not done though. It's 5:06 still. So when it's 5:07, it's 5:07 now. We gotta let it sit now. See, I hope my sister gets her own channel so she can make her own stuff. Pick what up?
The thing over there.
Hold on real quick, guys.
I think this is gonna be fun. Pick up the thing that's under there. Can you turn off the bathroom light? Because I already kept it on.
Alright, guys. Sorry about that. We're just cleaning up our messes, and then we're gonna let it sit for how many minutes is it? 30? So we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. And my sister is gonna sit here and talk to you for a little bit while I'm doing a couple things. Here you go, Lisa.
Hi. So, we're here today to tell you all about slime. So, earlier I was doing a slime, right? And it was harsh because it was like really bad. And we tried to make it earlier. You see that, right?
It's still hand sanitizer, but with food coloring in it.
It still has food coloring in it, but we're going to just go dump it away. Yeah, we have about, hold on. We have maybe like 38 minutes. So, I bet you think we have 38 minutes. So, we'll be seeing you guys later. We'll just pause it for a couple minutes, and we'll be back soon. Bye. Hi, guys. What you guys doing? We just got back because I had nail polish fingers now. As you can see, I got nail polish fingers. I'm really mad because my brother here had nail polish in a bowl. He told me to rinse it out, and I got it all over my fingers and in the sink, and I'm probably going to get in trouble. Just kidding. I never get in trouble because I'm the brilliantest girl I know. See you later.
Hey, what's up? You guys have a nice day. And I hope you guys are good. So, that's my sandwich. Alright, we'll see you in how many more minutes? How many more minutes?
20 minutes.
We'll see you in 20 minutes. Alright, great. Bye-bye.
Hi, guys. As you can see, we have 10 more minutes, or I should say 12 more minutes. My brother here is eating a burger every time. He always stuffs his mouth so you can see how big his burger is. Is it showing?
No. No, it is.
As you can see, he stuffs his mouth a lot. I can tell you that for a fact. Thank you. I'll see you back later.
Hey, guys. So, you see, I'm kind of bored right now. It's 5:26. 5:29. So subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna do the life spike again. In 3, 2, 1, like spike. Boom, baby. Yeah. Nobody told me that because this is me. And that's what I used to look like. I didn't have a channel when I was a baby. When I was like 6 years old, but now I'm 8. So we get to do any kind of. Oh, so can I use your Atari for the next video? I'm making tomorrow. I'm making this one for the day after. I'm using this one Monday and oh snap. So alright guys, I'll talk to you in a sec cause I got something to do. Oh guys, on my next video I'm gonna do a game with you on the Atari versus my sister. So that'll be like tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm not doing it.
That'll be like tomorrow. So guys, I hope you guys have a fun day. And it's like 5:31, I guess. Yeah. I'm very itchy. And then the next after like at Saturday, January Saturday, I'm gonna make a video of a challenge that we're gonna have. And it's gonna be a cereal challenge. So I hope you guys have a fun weekend. Well, it's not a weekend now. Well, it is a weekend, but tomorrow we have a dentist appointment and I hate it. So, beefaroni. Oh my God, when is that thing gonna be done? Alright guys, we got like a couple more minutes left. Alright, like Spike, remember that. And subscribe my channel, just doing Cologne.
Guys, I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye. Hey guys, we'll be there later to see you. We're going to be on a show. Tomorrow we're going to be making a Atari game, or we might do it today. Who knows? I'll see you guys later.
Yeah. I just hope it's 5:37, so we got like a couple seconds. Yeah. Okay. Talk to you guys like in a sec.
Daddy, you couldn't see me do anything?
Here goes my sister doing something.
Hi, guys. Okay, thank you. Jodo, when I go behind you, see...
My sister's so funny. Look at her.
Did you see her? Did you see her?
Mm-hmm.
What did I do?
You stick your tongue out like this.
Man.
So, you guys are good. Alright, see you in a sec.
Slime.
We didn't make slime. We made
any kind of slime.
any kind of slime. This is the picture. Like a roomy and groomy blue. So we put food coloring in it. And I think we're not supposed to, so. Alright, hold on. I gotta tell my sister something. Alicia, I think you should put it in the freezer for... Oh, no. You should... It should be already out right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say it worked.
We'll just roll.
I'm gonna say it worked.
Yeah, that's not gonna work because it didn't work.
It worked. But we're just rinsing it out because
We already took the slime.
it broke. We already took the slime out and we need to rinse it. Okay. Alright, 3, 2, 1, light spike!
Subscribe me at any time.
Subscribe me at any time, Justin Cologne. This is my second video and I hope you have a nice, wonderful evening. And this is my sister.
Peace. Bye.
Bye, guys.